it's Krisha. Today let's make a choo-choo train. I bet you can go in it when we're done. First, draw a curve. And from the curve, leave space and make a line from the top. And make another curved line. Leave space though. And then draw a line after a circle. I said lines because we were making lines. And some here. And in these, make dots. From here, make a line. Draw from the first these. The other one, make another line. And connect them. Wait, can I tell you a part of the train? Do you know what the caboose means? It's the one that's have you seen the one that's at the rail, the last one? That one is the caboose. And now in this, draw lines like that. Just like that. And then from here, make a curve. And make sure to make a line and another line. And another line like this. And here, make some wiggly lines. And connect these two together. Here, make a line. We have lots of lines today. Another line here. And here, make down line. Another line across. And now connect it like that. Now here, make a line like that. And a line like that. And here, make another line to connect that. And here, make a line like that. And here, make a circle. And another circle. Do you understand what these are? They're the wheels. And here, make another. Oops, I don't have space, so I won't draw it. And now here, connect those 3 or 2. I have 2, but my dad has 3. And now here, make a line up. Another line up from here. Whoosh. Next, make a rectangle, or you can also color it a square if you like, up here. Okay, I did, so you can do it and follow us. And here, make another rectangle or a square. Okay, next. And now here you can make I'll call this a square, like a square there, and connect these two together. And now here, draw a line to here. Here, make a cloud, something like a cloud. And more clouds. More clouds. From here, make a wiggly line. Another wiggly line. I have an idea. Do you know? Whoosh. I made the railroad. I wonder if it's a train, and if you sit in it and travel, or it like takes stuff. Well, when I was in another state called Montana, I usually go watch a train somewhere. Well, do you know what it would do? It would take stuff and it would build houses. Well, do you want to know what color the train was? It was all black, those red, those colors, brown. So if you're done, you can go in your train and have a fun day with it. If you're not, or you can watch us. If you're not, you can color. Or you can color in your train. My dad made a smile. The train's happy and it's alive, but trains are not alive. I'm just going to do one more thing and I'll be done. Or I could do three. Yeah, I'll do three. My brother likes to color, so he's coloring my dad's picture. He's a special artist. I know what you're making. The sun. Looks like my dad is almost done. My sky is blue, but trains, some of them also go in nights. They have a lot of work. Well, they don't stay all the day up. I'm gonna take my brown and shade one more thing. And I'll be done. And this is a magical train that can control itself. Do you know Thomas the train? I think his name is Thomas. Thomas and his friends. He has so many friends. Did you play with him? His friends and him? Well, I haven't. Okay, I'm about to be finished. Okay, I'm finished. So we're done? So bye!